Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm really glad you're here today. Each time we meet, you grow your English and your confidence. And today's word is all about success, growth, and good things happening in life. Today, we're going to learn the word prosper. So, what does prosper mean? To prosper means to do well, especially in business, health, or life in general. When someone prospers, they grow, succeed, or become rich and happy. It's a positive word full of hope and progress. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand. And remember the word prosper. The company began to prosper after launching a new product. We all want to live in a place where people can prosper. She worked hard for years and finally prospered. Small farms can prosper with the right support. May you prosper in everything you do. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember prosper in context. When I first moved to London, life was difficult. I had very little money and didn't know many people. But I worked hard and stayed focused on my goals. Over time, things started to change. Slowly but surely, I began to prosper. I found a job I loved and students who inspired me. My small teaching business began to grow. I moved into a nicer flat and felt more confident each day. I didn't become rich, but I felt like I was prospering. Success, I learned, isn't just money. It's progress and happiness. And anyone can prosper with patience and effort. So, that's the word prosper, to grow, succeed, and move forward in life. Use it this week to talk about your goals and dreams. See you next time for another powerful word. Take care and keep learning.